right, well, boom, baby, we're back and we're working on our Ram Wednesday 2012 Ram with the 5.7 Hemi. And we had an EVAP error come up the other day. I'll put it right there. And so we're trying to sort that out. And I saw from a couple different other YouTube videos that a common error is this little piece that goes on the, like right by the gas tank. Basically that return part of the process. So I got the part. We're gonna swap it out, and hopefully it helps. Supposedly it can impact your MPG and your rough idle if you have a rough idle, but that's kind of like the common diagnosis for anything. So, but anyways, we're gonna move the Ram, get it centered so we're on the concrete, crawl under there. Hopefully it's an easy swap out, but let's take a look. Boom, baby. Should be an easy fix. Basically, we'll just have to crawl under the back here and locate that little box. So this is the part we're looking at, and it should be right, well, let's just crawl under there, I'll show you, but basically has the one little locking connection and the one hose clamp. Oh, and one electronic connection. Location wise, I think it's above this tank part here, there, so yeah, we're gonna have to swivel more in the middle. Okay, so we finally got it sorted out. Basically, you're hugging the muffler. While you're hugging the muffler, there it is, that's our part. Yeah, it's this little dealio here. So ironically, when I was working on it on the Ram last, I got pulled away mid projects, but I was having an issue turning that piece, and I did discover that there's a tab that you have to push in and then turn. So I'll show you guys what I mean, but we're gonna crawl back under. Might actually have to move the truck again too. So here's a replacement part. You can see it's got the switch, and we may have already shown this in the video, but this tab right here, I think you have to push that down and then turn. And I'm gonna have to double check the seal too. Maybe that is the way it goes. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure on this seal. I mean, this is how it showed up like this. So we'll have to take a look at that. Maybe that's just how it locks in, not sure. Or maybe it goes, I don't know, well, we'll find out. Definitely tight squeeze, but this is what I love about trucks. You don't have to lift them up. Okay, so yeah, it's just, should be fairly easy. This should pop off. There we go. We're gonna let it hang to the side there. There we go. Now the tab on the new one and the old one. Where's the tab? So if we match it up this way, tab's on the bottom. Right now we're just gonna see if we can reach that tab. All right, so that pulled out. I don't even see a seal. That's crazy. Where's the seal? Will it fall? All right, well now, definitely feels broken. Interesting. Okay. Now, you guys guys let me know if I'm doing this wrong, but that one didn't have a seal, so I'm going to leave the seal off for now. I could always come back under here and add it. New one should just pop right into place. And so that just basically I started at half turn and just rotated in. Took that cap off, of course, so here's the new. New hose back on. And there you go. Well, look at that. Hopefully that does the trick for us. Now let's find out. So the other one was just solid, nothing rattled at all. And this one is definitely, I don't know all the inner workings of these, but I know that's not a rattle you want. So anyways, I'm pretty optimistic with this. I don't know how many problems it's going to fix, but I'm guessing it's going to fix at least 2. Let's start her up, drive around the block. I mean, the most noticeable difference is there should be no more check engine light, but I also reset that code anyways. And I don't know how much of a difference you're going to notice. Oh, that's so funny. I just fixed my tires, and now the one tire it's saying was low. It says I put 38, but it said 35 on the thing, so I don't know. Hey, all right. Well, we pretty much got all of our lights off, so that's cool, except for my seatbelt. I'm gonna buckle up right now. All right, let's take her for a little spin, see if we notice any difference. I don't know if you will or not, but we should have fixed our issue, so it's always nice when it's an easy fix. Sounds really good, actually. Let's drive by Sosa's. Let's see if Sosa's out. Give us a good little test drive. I mean, honestly, I don't know. This truck runs really good, so I don't know if you'd necessarily notice a difference, but definitely seems to be doing good. So I'm happy about that. I don't know if, I mean, it was such a minor thing. I noticed because I know this truck, but it was like at idle, you'd hear just a slight like reverberation or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if you would notice much otherwise. And of course, the check engine light, and supposedly it's supposed to affect your MPG too, so I don't know. Let's take it on the main road and we'll see. So far, all good. Wednesday's loving it. She says, yes, give me some of that. She likes it. I think Wednesday likes it. I'll tell you what, this truck moves. This truck moves. I love it. And there's not one red light on my dash. Oh, only car guys understand how great of a feeling that is. Not one light on the dash. Outstanding. We do still have that slight ticking noise, which I'm still convinced is an exhaust leak, although I really don't know. But got rid of all of our check engine lights, all of the lights on the dash, period. And definitely seems to be running a lot smoother. All right. Yeah, running good. Man, I just cleaned that cover like not that long ago. I mean, you can hear that slight noise. It almost sounds like an injector now. You can hear it in the wheel well, which makes me think it's there, but I'm happy. I mean, this is a good step forward. This fixed at least one of the issues I was having for sure.